Hello, it's Graham here from Minard's Leisure World in Watrous. Today I want to show you this Connect 241 RESE. It has a little snow on the front here. I was too excited to wait, so I wanted to present this right away. So this is a brand new layout. It has a very unique inside to it, so I'm excited to show you this. So with our Connect, we have the power tongue jack up front. It'll come with the two 20-pound propane tanks, your battery, the disconnect. On the front, you'll have the rock guard with the laminate front cap. Coming across here, you're gonna get the full pass-through. So with the Connects, you get two really nice sized baggage doors. And in the pass-through, there's no obstruction, so you get the full width. On the Connect brand is the fiberglass. This is the Asdel fiberglass, so it's impervious to water, mold, and mildew. It also has the heated and enclosed underbelly, and check out this nice big powered awning. So you get the full side of your camper with the powered awning and the LED light strip within that awning. On this one, you'll have the marine speakers. I'm pointing that out because now they're stripping that on a lot of units. And then coming across here, you do get the Lippert flip up steps. So this has the full contact on the ground, nice and stable coming in. You get some nice big treads on it as well with the full grab handle. And a new feature too that are starting to be more popular is the screen defender. So a tough guard screen with the screenshot, so that'll auto retract to close your screen door. So at the back of the camper, you're gonna have your spare tire. It will come with our logoed tire cover. You also get the ladder. So this is huge. They're starting to be more and more rare to not have the ladder. And then you'll have the backup prep camera as well. So now we're inside the Connect 241 RESE. So this is the unique part, you guys. Check out this rear living portion of this camper. So you got this big L-shaped couch. You do have pull-out ottomans. So there's gonna be two pull-out ottomans that you can use as footstools. They're also storage as well. And then on this side, you can lift up the couch cushion and there'll be full storage below here. So you'll have your wraparound couch. The whole back wall is your rear entertainment. So on here, it'll come with the fireplace. You'll have the Bluetooth and DVD player with built-in sound system inside and out. And then your big LED TV as well. So your LED TV at the back. And then across here, so a lot of people like having cross furniture for entertainment. So across will be your bench dinette. So with your bench dinette, this table can drop to a bed. You do get extra storage on both sides below. And then the furniture is a vinyl wrap, so it's nice and easy to clean. It gives a really nice look as well. So moving closer to the kitchen here, we have a nice big pantry, and you can see really nice deep shelves. Some people would even take these mid shelves out and have a storage closet too to hang your coats. And then across from that is your alley kitchen. So Connects have a really nice kitchen setup. They have more of that residential feel to them. So you'll have the countertop here, that's solid surface. You get the sink cover with the big residential bowl. It has that nice matte finish in the cabinetry, the solid cabinetry. And then across here is your 3-burner cooktop with the oven, your range hood, and then the microwave above. And the Connects have the 12-volt fridge. So this is a nice big 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. So you get nice deep shelves. They have lots of shelving in here with the deep freezer. And it's also back to the solar source that's on the roof. So talk to your salesperson about that and the benefits. And then right across is your bathroom. So you'll have the foot flush toilet, the vanity with extra counter, and then above will be your medicine cabinet. And then you have the nice big shower with a bit of a lip on the bottom if you wanted to fill it up, and the shower surround. So now we're at the front of the camper, which is the private bedroom. So in this Connect model for the bedroom, you do get a 60 by 80 queen bed and the wraparound storage. So on this side, you'll have the actual closet space to hang your clothes. And then they also do the cutouts for your books, CPAPs, because you'll also have a charging port too for your phones. and then your reading lights as well. And then at the foot of the bed will flip up and you will have a storage cubby there as well. So to wrap up on this 2024 241 RE SE is that this is a brand new unit, just got to our lot. It has the couple coach layout that weighs just over 5,500 pounds. And this unit here is a tandem axle with the enclosed underbelly, fiberglass, and a rear living that you've never seen before. So you can check this one out, or if you want to keep shopping, check us on minardsleisureworld.com.